One child, one teacher, one pen, and one book can change the world. A very good morning to our respected principal, Sister Hazel, teachers, and my dear friends. Welcome to our USM assembly. Let us start our day by seeking God's blessing.
Hands and close our eyes for prayer. God our Father, we thank you for this new day. Thank you for the gifts of our parents, teachers, and friends. Help us to be grateful in every way as we learn to be trustworthy, respectful, responsible, just, and caring citizens of today. Watch over us as we explore and learn joyfully. Bless our family, our country, and our world. This prayer we make in your most precious name. Amen.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. Read in the name of your Lord who has created. He has created man from a clot. Read, and your Lord is the most generous.
Reading from the Holy Bible, Luke chapter 27 to 35. Love your enemies, be good to those who hate you. Bless those who curse you and pray for those who ill-treat you. If someone hits you on one cheek, let him hit another one too. If someone takes your coat, let him have your shirt as well. Give to others who ask for you something, and if someone takes what is yours, do not ask for it back. Do for others just as you want them to do unto you. If you love only the people who love you, why should you receive a blessing? Even sinners love those who love them. And if you do good to only those who do good to you, why should you receive a blessing? Even sinners do that. And if you lend only to those from whom you hope to get it back, why should you receive a blessing? Even sinners lend to sinners to get back their same amount. No, love your enemies, do good to them. Lend and expect nothing back, and you will have a great reward. You will be the son of the Most High God, for He is good to the ungrateful and the wicked. Be merciful, just as your Father in heaven is merciful. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
A reading from the Bhagavad Gita. Simha Vatsarva Vegana Patantyartha Khilarthana. Meaning, those who intend to get work done cast themselves on the task with all possible speed like a
Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. Humbly you came to the earth you created, all for love's sake became poor. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether
assembly is USM, Universal Solidarity Movement. It's an NGO centered on developing enlightened leadership, responsible citizenship, and promoting harmony among religions and ethnic groups. Father Varghese Alangadan, who is the founder of USM, had long years of experience of working with the youth, visualized a country which could be rebuilt by the youth. He thought, why don't we train the youth to take charge of the nation with an inclusive, broad and lasting vision? He launched the holistic spiritual movement with the Gandhian principle of self-transformation, you be the change. Varghese has conducted hundreds of seminars and workshops involved in motivating and training student leaders, teachers, principals and managers of schools. Some features of this program are building character, strengthening willpower, expanding intellect and becoming proactive to bear lasting fruit. USM visualizes a society, a nation, a world with the universal family spirit of Hinduism, the discipline and fellowship of Islam, the courage of Sikhism, the compassion of Buddhism, the non-violence of Jainism, the creativity of the Parsi religion and the self-sacrifice and forgiveness of Christianity.
Pray daily for peace and forgiveness to be an agent of peace and reconciliation. Skip a meal a week to express your solidarity with the hungry and contribute the poor and needy.
Do a good deed a day without any selfish motive to develop loving concern to our nation.
Honor parents, teachers and all human beings. Respecting our elders should be courtesy ingrained in every one of us. Common grace and manners are to treat elders with dignity and respect. Respect the earth and save its resources. The sustainability of our planet, I promise to fulfill my responsibilities towards the Mother Nature as a global citizen so as to hand over clean and green planet to our future generations.
एक सपना है मेरा एक रहे देश हमारा, महान है भारत हमारा। गूंज उठे प्रेम का नारा, एक सपना है मेरा, एक रहे देश हमारा, महान है भारत हमारा। देश हमारा, महान है भारत हमारा।
USM Pledge. I am aware of the negative forces that are dividing and destroying the society through corruption, fundamentalism, violence, and exploitation. I commit myself to build a civilization of love by building character with willpower and sensitivity. I shall practice ethics in my personal life and profession to stand strong in moments of crisis. I pledge to accept, appreciate, and promote the pluralistic heritage of our country. I commit myself to transform the world by transforming myself first. I shall practice first before preaching to others.
The best and the beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt from our hearts. Thank you is one such beautiful thing among them. Universal Solidarity Movement is an opportunity for the students to become the members of the USM Club through schools and build the civilization of love. I am grateful to be a member of our school USM Club, which will help me build as a responsible citizen of India. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal, Sister Hazel, for giving us this opportunity to present this assembly. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my fellow club members and the animators for their efforts to make this assembly.